welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, it was a weird day. I don't know why it was a weird day. I had some coupons that didn't work. I didn't have a fit or anything. I says, oh, can you just take them off? And I'll show you guys what I did with that. But I think it actually turned out to be a great couponing trip, and I got a lot of food. I got more food than I got personal care items, and that's one thing I really like. So the first deal I got is the White Cloud toilet paper. Now this was at my store for $6.27. I only had one $3 off coupon that I was able to print that's no longer available anymore. So I paid $3.27 for this, which I still think is a great deal. But then on checkout 51 there is a $3 Ibotta or $3 checkout 51 $3 rebate. So I ended up getting this pack of 12, is it 12? Yeah, pack of 12 toilet paper for just 27 cents, which I think is a great price. And this actually feels like it's really soft and good stuff. So definitely do that if you guys still have that coupon. My coupon was expiring soon anyways. Ask Daddy to help you, honey.
No, you help me.
But I don't want you getting stickers all over the place. Daddy will help you. The next deal I got is the Gain fabric softener. Now this is, I love Gain. I actually got Gain a lot before I started really couponing. I don't know why, but I just love the smell. And one thing I don't have a lot of is fabric softener. That's one thing I do not have a lot of. And when I see this, I cannot pass it up. But they had... these were $2.97 for this fabric softener. There is these $2 off coupons that I got from the, I don't know if it was the Red Plum or the Smart Source for this past Sunday. Or you guys can also go to the P&G website. You guys can print off a $2 off coupon. So I got these for just 97 cents. That's absolutely awesome. That's one thing I love to stock up on is I have so much laundry detergent and not enough fabric softener. So definitely do that deal, and I got 2 of those because I couldn't pass it up. I ended up getting this Meow Mix Cat Food for my child, my furry child. This was $4.56. I used a $1 off coupon that we just got in yesterday's paper, so Sunday's paper. You guys would just pay $3.56 for this, but then there's a deal on Ibotta for $1.75. So you guys would just get this for $1.81. It's up to you guys. I think this is a great deal for cat food. I mean, I don't know. I think it's a great deal. Like, not everything can be free, but, you know, if you can get really good deals for food, not for us, but for our pets, go for it. I ended up getting this Brooks Beans. We use this stuff to make chili. This was, I'm not going in the order that I was. This was 78 cents, and I just got it to get some Ibotta deals. You guys would pay 78 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 53 cents, which is a good deal. That's a good deal, so there's that. I ended up getting the Contadina, probably not saying it right, whole peeled tomatoes. Now, I will be posting a recipe that involves this stuff. I found a salsa recipe and I absolutely love it, so be prepared. Husband and I will be making it very soon. We're just trying to eat off the old stuff before we make a new batch, but this is an awesome thing to make salsa with. So this was $1.54. I used a 50-cent off coupon from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $1.04 for this. You can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 54 cents. 54 cents for a can of tomatoes. Oh yeah. I also got the Chobani deal also at Walmart. These were $1, I think 98 or $1.97, 98 I think, $1.98. I used that free coupon, so these absolutely came out to be for free. I have yet to try this stuff. I want to try this stuff, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know, I think maybe the Greek yogurt thing, but I mean, this stuff is okay for you, so I will try it. I might have to do it on video so you guys can see my reaction. I got potatoes. I ended up getting 6 potatoes. My potatoes were 58 cents a pound. So I got almost 4 pounds. I don't know how much I got, but I almost got about 4 pounds. It came to $2.04 for 6 potatoes. But then on coupons.com, if you guys don't know how to submit your receipt, I do have a video showing you guys how to do that. But on coupons.com, you guys can submit your receipt up to $2.50 for potatoes, and you guys will get that sent to your PayPal. It does take a while to get the money for PayPal, just giving you guys a heads up. But, you know, they end up being free, so I'm not going to pass that up. I got the Crunch Master crackers. These were $2.78. I used the $1 off coupon that I got from the Crunch Master website. You guys would pay $1.78 for this. You can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta. You can also submit a $1 rebate on Checkout 51. So this ends up becoming a 22-cent money maker. 22-cent money maker. Yeah. Asked my husband if he'd be interested in me getting him something like this. So I got the Great Grain cereal, and it's got to be the coconut almond crunch. It's got to be this flavor. Okay, so these are different prices everywhere else, but my store had these for $3.28. I used a $1 off of 2 coupon that I got from, I can't even remember, but if I'll look it up. Otherwise, you just go to Lozo, L-O-Z-O, type in Post cereal, and it'll take you to the website that has it. You guys would end up paying $5.56 for both of these, but then you can submit a $1.25 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $3.06 or $1.53. Not the greatest deal, but it's all up to you guys what you guys want to do. I ended up getting this Chosen Foods avocado oil spray. Now, when I submitted my receipt, it submitted it for 2 different options. So there's that, and then my Saving Star, apparently I didn't have it on my Saving Star. So I got this for $4.48. There was no coupons. You guys would pay $4.48 for this. But then I had 2 rebates that popped up on Ibotta, each for $1.50. So I ended up getting this for $1.48, but if you guys have this on Saving Star and Checkout 51 there was none available, definitely do that deal. Now, when I scanned this dime tap item at Walmart, both deals came up, but when I submitted my receipt, only one deal submitted, which I'm not complaining. So this was $5.82. I used a $1.50 off coupon. I ended up paying $4.32 for this, but then I got $2 back with Ibotta, making the final price for this just $2.32. I got this because I wanted to hit level 3, which after I bought everything, I was just 2 items away from level 3, which is not a big deal. Not a big deal. I ended up getting the Tic Tac Gum. Now there's I bought a deal for 2 different flavors. You need to get the spearmint and the fresh mint. So these were $1.14. You guys want to use that 50% off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay 64 cents for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate for Ibotta, making the final price for these just 14 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. And one thing I also like is sugar-free gum. Sugar-free gum. And there's 10 calories in here. 10 calories. So we got that. And then I got some Rice Krispie bars, and I went in the aisle that they were in, and the shelf was completely empty. I'm like, how are you guys out of Rice Krispie bars? I go to another section, and they got a whole big thing of Rice Krispie bars, and I'm like, yay! So these were $1.98. Can you guys read that upside down? $1.98. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $2.96 for these, but then you guys want to submit a 60-cent rebate on Ibotta times 2 plus a 65-cent rebate on Saving Star, making the final price for these just $1.11 or 55 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. I'm getting snacks like crazy. Too bad it wasn't before our trip, you know, going to Florida. I got the Cottonelle butt wipes. Is my son, or he calls them Tushy wipes. We've never used these. I just keep buying them and giving them to my friends. This was, I lost it. This was $1.97. I used $1 off coupon for this. You guys would just pay 97 cents for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 47 cents. That comes out to be almost a penny a wipe. A penny a wipe. I got the Bic Whiteout. These were 97 cents. I used $1 off coupon. Got a 3-cent moneymaker. And then the last deal I got is the Kleenex Cool Touch tissues. Now, these were $1.58 at Wally World. You guys want to buy 2. You guys want to use that 50-cent off a 2 coupon that is no longer available. You guys would just pay $2.66 for these, but then you can submit a $1 rebate when you buy 2, making the final price for this just $1.66 or 83 cents, which could be a pretty decent deal. I mean, most of this stuff's always over $1, so why not get it for 83 cents? So there was that. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I'm so glad I got more food items. And 97-cent detergent. I can't go wrong with that. My total came to $36.61. I ended up getting $22.70 back. Now, I ended up getting $8 back because I bought the Kiwi shoe care. I'm sorry. I bought the Kiwi shoe care, and when she went to scan my $2 off coupons, the coupons would not scan. They wouldn't come off. She's like, "What's our policy?" I said, "No, that's a problem. I'll just take them off." So she voided them out. But when I submitted my receipt, Ibotta just it pops up automatically. So it gave me an $8 for that. I got $4 back for checkout 51. I got $2.04 back from coupons.com. Saving Star, I'll get 65 cents back. So if you guys think about it, I got 20 items for $7.22. I think that's a great deal. Everything came out to be 36 cents a piece, which is still an awesome, awesome, awesome deal. My husband is super excited to try this cereal, and I'm pretty excited to make, you know, salsa. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, enter my contest. I know you guys will probably hear this a lot. It goes until the end of the month, but you can send me, if you guys can't send me a postcard, send me a letter, send me anything. You guys can just send me anything. Any kind of letter, a card, a birthday card, a sympathy card, I don't care. It'll be funny though. But yeah, hit that red subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Join Ibotta. You can click my team and you guys will get $10 when you first join or redeem your first rebate. And I show you guys Ibotta deals every single Monday at Wally World and sometimes Target. But I will see you guys all another time. See you later. Bye-bye.